Alright guys, I'm back with another video. Since I did the cabin air filter, let's go ahead and do the engine air filter. So yes, you have to change both of them. This is a little bit different because it's smaller, and I had to order this actually from Advanced Auto because the one that I picked up at Walmart had the wrong part number in the book. Yes, can you believe that? And I was so mad. But anyway, so for the 2024 Corolla Cross, for the engine air filter, you probably want to go to Advanced Auto, AutoZone, or get the part number if you have the money to pay for the Lexus/Toyota Denso. If I'm saying that right, DENSO, is it Denso? Then go ahead and pay for it. I mean, it's $30 and up for that filter, but I went to Advanced Auto, and I'll tell you the price in a minute. Okay, so I picked this up at Advanced Auto and I ordered it yesterday. I went to pick it up today and it was $14.15 for the filter. As I mentioned before, you can buy the Toyota original OEM filter, but I'm not giving up $30 when I can pretty much get, the same filter. It's not the same like Toyota, but yeah. So I'm here to save people money and to cut down labor costs when it's something easy that you can do it yourself. All right, bear with me as I have one hand because my long stand didn't work for me. So you're gonna go right here, and you see these two clamps right here. You're gonna do that, and you're gonna do that. And you're gonna take this off. You see this right here. You're gonna take this off, and be careful because I don't want to go to a mechanic in a few minutes. So I can't do this with both. So I'm just gonna wait and switch hands. Give me a second. Okay, working with one hand. All right, so you see, of course, this is the Lexus/Toyota filter. So I'm gonna take that out. Give me one moment. All right, so I took the filter out of here and I used my towel to wipe it inside, and it was like a little small leaf inside, so I got that out. Who all know, show of hands in the comments below if, and you don't know because when they take your car to the back, they just do whatever they got to do. Let me know in the comments below if you think they clean out the inside, cleaning inside of this, dust, leaves, or whatever. Or do you think they just pop the filter back in? Now, that's what they supposed to do. They supposed to clean in the inside of that, get the dust out, blow it out. I don't know how they do it, but that's the whole point of the labor, right? Not just putting it in, because if that's the case, you can do it yourself. But anyway, so this is dirty. It's been in there since I got the car. And here's the part number. So see, Lexus Toyota 17801-F2060, and this is a Denso, if I'm saying it right, made in the USA. Let me know. All right, so I didn't want to pay $30 to $50 for this, so I went ahead and I went to Advanced Auto. I actually ordered it yesterday and I picked it up today. So as long as you give them this part number wherever you go, you'll have this one. All right, so I'm about to put that in. Give me a moment. All right, so I just wanted to show you this before I put it in. It's pretty much the same size. It's just a different color. Of course, this is Lexus, Toyota, and this is CarQuest. But it does the same thing. This is actually made in China, and this is made in the USA. So, well, that's good to know. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this filter in and we'll be on our way. All right, so I have it in there. There you go. So we're gonna go ahead and if I can't do it because I don't want to mess this up right here, give me a second. All right, so it's back in. Make sure that the clips are on there tight, And there we go. So we went ahead and we changed our engine air filter. Look at that. Now, I'm not about to go start, I'm not a mechanic, so I'm not about to go and change and refill all this other stuff, because I have to get an oil change in like another month. But engine air filter, cabin air filter, you know, check your oil, check your windshield wiper fluid, check everything else. That's something I can do. But with this, you're really going to save money. Make sure that you have the right part number when you go to AutoZone, Advanced AutoZone, Walmart, or any other auto parts store. Make sure you take them the information and do it yourself. Save some money, save the labor costs, and I hope that this helped other people who want to save money. I hope this helped you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.